Kids love doing activities, right? And there's nothing that helps reinforce knowledge is by doing something physically with your hands, of course. And so I often will do a quick little cheat sheet or an activity sheet, something so that the kids can be doing and learning at the same time. We're reinforcing what we've talked about already. So this one, it's really quick and easy, and literally it's continuing plant parts. So which plant parts are we going to work with and draw lines? Kids love drawing lines. So what we do is we say, okay, celery. So what part of a plant is celery? Okay. And they'll guess the leaves and whatever, and usually they won't get the stalk. So we draw, I say, well, it's a stem. Or actually it's a petiole or rib, a really fancy word. So we draw a line. All right. So let's do an easy one. Okay. Kale. What part of the plant do we eat that's kale? It's like lettuce. Okay, so lettuce was a leaf, so kale looks like a leaf too, right? Okay, so let's draw a line from kale down to leaf. Okay, now we talked about a tomato already. So a tomato was a fruit, and there's the guy saying, hey, I'm a fruit. So let's draw a line up to fruit. Okay, so we talked about roots, and carrots are roots. So what makes a root? Well, it grows underground. So these guys are beets, and they grow just like carrots. So the leaves are up top and the roots, the bottom is in the ground. So that makes a beet a root. Okay. All right. And we did talk about that broccoli. Look at that broccoli with those big eyes. And the broccoli are florets. So those are those immature flowers again. We're going to eat some flowers. Where's flowers? Right, there we go. Up here. And then, oh yes, this guy, peas. So if we're eating peas, the little round guys, what are we eating? Well, we're going to eat the seeds, the immature seeds. So we're eating seeds now. And that leaves the tough one. And guess what? Kohlrabi, it sort of looks like it could be a root, but it grows above ground, so that's not a root. And we don't usually eat the leaves, so you could. We eat this sort of round thing here. And so that actually is a swollen stem. So we are eating the stem. So look at all the different parts of the plant we are eating. We can eat the roots, we can eat the stems, we can eat the leaves, we can eat the stalks between the leaves and the stem, we can eat flowers, we can eat the seeds, and we can eat the fruit. In other words, we get to eat all of the plant, just not all at once from every single plant.